Okay, I'm going to cover seed and random numbers. Okay, so if you type seed, this sets the random number seed, but it also does something different. If you give it a non-zero value, okay, if you give it 0, it uses a timer for the seed. So that's what the default is. So normally the numbers have a timer added in. Here's get timestamp. So when you do a random number, it scrambles it. So normally it's running with a timer random number, which is more random and it's not repeatable. But sometimes you want to play the same game over and over. So for example, here's black diamond, and you'll notice, let's see, there's a rock right there, right? Now let's quit. Let's try it again. No, see, it's not the same. So when we tried it again, it wasn't the same. So what you can do is you can either put seed, let's say seed 10, and then when we run it, there was a rock right when we left. Or you see that a rock off to the right. Rock off to the right. You see, it's the same game. So, oh, by the way, I added wolves. Anyway, so you can either put it in the code like that, or you can say seed 2. I recognize this one for, and then you pound include. So we're going to look at bomber golf, and there should be 2 tanks up here. Oh, I changed it. Okay. Oh well. Anyway, so put it on seed 0 if you want timer. If you want truly random, put seed 0. Otherwise, you can repeat a game by specifying a number, and it can be as big as you like. A really big number, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So let's see what happens if we say seed, and then we do bomber golf. I did seed 1,000,000. So there's 2 tanks kissing. Okay, so now we can say seed. Now if we don't do this, you'll see it will be different because it's still running the random numbers. Oops. Bomber golf. Remember, we were looking for 2 tanks kissing. You see, it doesn't have the 2 tanks kissing now. Now if we say seed 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now if we do bomber golf, now it has the 2 tanks kissing. You see that? Okay, so do you understand how random numbers are made? Basically, it multiplies and takes a I don't know what it does. It just multiplies by some crazy numbers, and it's not very random. These are pseudo-random. But if you enter the timestamp, maybe you don't know what the timestamp is. The timestamp is the CPU cycle. So this is, watch this. So these numbers are changing, and what we're doing is we're XORing the seed with the timestamp. So that really makes it random. So anyway, now when we talk to God, like you see here where it says press F7, F6, when you do that, that's using a timer. It doesn't even have a random formula. It's just a timer. So we I have different words for when I have God talk. I gave him a new vocabulary. Don't mention it out. It's not job. You don't say anger, be quiet, bird. Sure, application, smart, bizarre. Which makes some sense in India, Russia. Okay, well, anyway.